I remember just before I came, there were so many people saying to me, "Why are you going to Russia? You know, it's. Haven't you seen the documentaries about what happens to people, tourists who go to?"
This crisis.
Yeah. And then people were saying, "Oh, it's racist there. You know, you might get poisoned there, and you know, all kinds of things." We met probably, I think, 3 or 4 years ago now, and we met at an events conference, and we always spoke about, I'm going to come to Russia, you're going to come to England, and I remember visiting St. Petersburg 2 years ago, I think in April, just before the World Cup, and I remember just before I came, there were so many people saying to me, "Why are you going to Russia? You know, it's. Haven't you seen the documentaries about what happens to people, tourists who go to?"
This crisis.
Yeah. And then people were saying, "Oh, it's racist there. You know, you might get poisoned there, and you know, all kinds of things." And when I got to Russia, St. Petersburg, it was just like any other bustling European city, multicultural, cosmopolitan, and nobody looked at me twice as if I was like from a different country. I mean, like no one could have made me feel more welcome than what you did, and then obviously the local population did, and it was amazing. But it just goes to show that if you just listen to the news all the time, especially the way that I think the media can be, you might not go and visit somewhere because of your perception.